Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change column width in Excel. Open an Excel sheet then, and here you can see if you put your cursor between two columns, you can see there is a width which is customized, which is by default. Okay, if you want to change it, you can simply drag it according to your choice. But if you customize it, if you want to customize it, you can go to this format option and go to column width, and from this option you can simply just make it bigger or make it as you want. As you can see, column A is changed. But if you want to do it with the entire sheet, you have to just press Ctrl A and select the whole worksheet and go to this format tab, column width, and here you have to enter your preferable size and click on OK. As you can see, it's customized. So yeah, this is how you can change your column width in Excel. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.